Hello everyone, it is Team 11 Carrera, Ulan, Diana, Naurazbay, and Jalghashan. The first thing that you need to know, it is we choose a website names Balenciaga. It is the website of the Spanish luxury fashion house. We choose it because it is very interesting that this website have not any IP to parse data from it. Ulan?
So let's turn to the questions that we are going to answer during completion of this project. And all of these two questions are related with these items of this website. First is related with the materials and the cost of these clothes, because the clothes are very expensive, and that's why we need to know the dependency between the price and the material. As well as we want to know about the countries in which these clothes were made. That's why we want to know the dependency between the manufacturer country and the price. And we are highly interested in these questions because we are young people, and we are curious to know why these clothes are so expensive, and how to wear luxury clothes without paying a lot of money. Please, Norzbay.
When we are starting the scrapping our website, we have met several problems. I want to talk about the main problems that we met. The first is when we are starting the scrapping, we think that all the data will be dynamically loaded, but in the process we learned about that every data comes from the IX format. That's why Beautiful Soup is not related for these problems, and we should to use another library. And the solution for these problems can say that our teammate Jalghashan.
One of the most important part of our project was the problem solving. So during the project, we faced a lot of problems, and our responsibility, we try to solve them as we can. So initially, we decided to use only Beautiful Soup scrapping library, but then we faced the problem that Norzbay mentioned about the dynamic pages that cannot be accessed by the simple Beautiful Soup library. So we decided to use Selenium, which has advantages in that area. For example, because it's imitating the human behavior, so we can fully access the whole page, imitating the scrolling of this. Also we faced a lot of small problems individually or as a team. We solved them all, and from this site, it was very useful for us. The next conclusion part is Alan.
So before conclusion, I want to talk about the answers to our questions, which I mentioned before. So to answer to our questions, we need to analyze our data, and to analyze it, firstly, I want to stop on the first question related with the materials and the costs. And as you can see in the screen, we have this graph as a result. And by the result, you can see that by the graph, you can see that there are different materials. There can be ordinary materials such as cotton or polyester, or there can be very expensive and very rare materials such as calfskin. And by answering our questions, I can say that the materials are mainly ordinary, and there are some exclusive materials. And about the prices of these materials, also ordinary materials, but they're expensive. For example, I can say that the price for the clothes with lyocell or polyester is almost $1,300, but for the clothes with cotton, it's about 800 euros. So let's turn to the next analysis related with the countries.
Okay, let's see the analysis from countries. As you can see in the first graph, represent to us an answer to the question, which country does a large quality of gold comes from. This is country Italy. It is very interesting because the brand born to Spain country, but the all of fabrication comes from Italy. And the next question is, in which country are the most expensive clothes produced on? Of course, in Spain, because it is original clothes of brand of Balenciaga. And in conclusion, Ulan?
So, in conclusion, I want to say that this project or this awesome 7 weeks was very crucial for us, especially for me, because before it I haven't had any experience with working in such project with my such beautiful teammates, and I wanna give the speech to my next um, partner, which is Jalaskan.
Yeah, I also want to say thank you for all the teammates for the great job that we done, and hope we'll cooperate and have benefits from our work in the future. Thank you.
So thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. That's all.